Charlie.
Charlie, my son Charlie, and we are at home in our kitchen today with who, Charlie?
This.
What does this say?
Cascadian Farm.
Cascadian Farm, and we're gonna make what? What are we making?
Cookies.
Cookies. We are gonna make some cinnamon crunch and dark chocolate cookies. So Cascadian Farm is a brand that is super close to my heart. A couple years ago, we actually...
It's my heart.
It's close to your heart? I got to visit the home farm in Washington. Actually, you were a little tiny baby. It was my first time away from this little guy. It was so beautiful. We got to learn all about the amazing things that they're doing there. Cascadian Farm is really dedicated to regenerative agriculture. They're dedicated to helping the pollinators, and they make non-GMO and organic products that we love, and we always have them in our house. So the first thing that we're gonna do is actually a grown-up job. I'm gonna brown 2 sticks of butter, and then I just put it in the bowl of our stand mixer, and I popped it in the freezer for about 20 minutes, and now it's sort of back into like a solid state. So I'm just gonna set that in our stand mixer. And then the first thing we're gonna do, Charlie, we're gonna mix together our flour, our baking soda, our cinnamon, and our salt. Can you help me with that? So we have our flour. Can you hold the whisk? Okay. So, woo, keep it in the bowl, bud. So I'm gonna add some salt, cinnamon, and baking soda right into our flour. We're gonna mix that all up. Really good job. Let's keep it in the bowl though. Okay, so now we can get started creaming together our brown butter and our sugars. So we have our butter in there, and this is, do you know what this is?
Salt.
It's not salt, it's actually brown sugar. Can you dump it in there?
Sure I can.
Good job. Brown sugar in, and then do you know what this is?
Salt.
That's not salt either, that's granulated sugar. So put that in. So now we're gonna shut our mixer, and we're gonna let this mix at medium speed for about 4 minutes until it's nice and light and fluffy. So this is looking great. You can see that it's creamed together really nicely. So now we are going to add our eggs. You ready, bud?
Yeah.
What are we ready to add?
Eggs.
Eggs. Okay, can you do it like a big boy?
Sure I can.
Okay.
Let me mix.
And let it mix. Next ingredient, do you know what this is? Smell it. What is it?
Vanilla.
Vanilla. In she goes. And we're gonna turn it back on one more time. Do you wanna do it? Okay, push that button. Yep. Push it with your muscles. Good job. Okay, so we added our eggs, our vanilla. Everything is looking great. I'm just going to scrape down this bowl. Charlie, do you know what we need to add next? What do we add next when we do cookies?
I
think we're gonna add our flour mixture. Okay? So we're gonna add it all in there. Whoopsies. Good job.
Good job.
Okay, so when we mix the flour, we're just gonna mix it for a couple seconds. We don't wanna over mix it because we don't want our cookies to be tough, right?
No.
No. Okay, ready?
Push that.
Okay, now for the best part, we're gonna add our Cascadian Farm Cinnamon Crunch.
Crunch.
And when we started this endeavor, we had 2 cups of cereal in here. I know, I'll get you some more, but we're looking a little short now. Yeah, it looks like you ate about a whole cup, buddy. So we're adding 2 cups of our cinnamon crunch. Can you dump it in?
Sure I can.
Okay, and then we're also gonna add in, we have 12 ounces of dark chocolate. Whoa! Chocolate goes in. We're just gonna give this one last spin, and then we're gonna be ready to bake them.
Yay!
Charlie's gonna go take a nap before we put our cookies in the oven, but you can have one after nap, okay? Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
So I just lined 2 sheet pans with parchment paper, and I'm gonna go ahead and scoop our cookies. Okay, we got 1 tray ready for the oven. I'm gonna pop these into a 350-degree oven for about 15 minutes. I'll just rotate the pans halfway through. So our first tray of cookies are out. Look at these puddles of chocolate. Oh, I can't wait to eat them. I'm just gonna add a little flaky salt because I can't seem to make a cookie without it. I'm gonna let these cool on the pan for a couple minutes, and then I will put them on a cooling rack. Okay, I'm just finishing my cookie. So good. That brown butter with the cinnamon cereal and the crunchiness, the dark chocolate, they're so good. I hope you all make them. You can get the recipe on thefeedfeed.com. I'm gonna let Charlie eat one when he wakes up from his nap, and we'll see you guys soon. Bye.